Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. We've got two methods. The first method is using the system settings. At first open the settings and scroll all the way down to the general management. Here tap reset. Now in the reset you should see factory data reset. Tap it. Here, as you can see, if you scroll all the way down, you can tap reset. Now you need to confirm your identity by entering your lock screen password. Here you can see what will be deleted. So this is the first way. The second way is that at first you need to turn off your phone. Remember that you will need to remember your Google account password. Power off your device here by tapping power off and then power off again. Now plug your device and using plug. At first you need to prepare now the cable. This cable needs to be suitable for data transfer, and you need to plug the first part of the cable into your PC or laptop and the second part into your phone. Once it's plugged in, you need to hold the power and volume up button simultaneously, of course, like this. And you need to hold it till you see that you are in the recovery mode. Here we are now in the recovery mode. You need to click this volume down button and click this power on the web data / factory reset. Here you need to click this power on the perform the factory reset. And then you will need to click reboot system now. That's how it works. Of course, you'll need to remember this Google password because there is something called Google FRP. Bye!